The third quarter 2016 housing price index by the Kenya Bankers Association indicates a 2.2% growth in housing prices as more Kenyans aspire to own homes given stability of the market.
So in broad borders, housing cooperative, we tell people from different sectors, that is teachers, matatu guys, business people, let's come together and cooperate. We will learn towards a common goal, which is owning a home, which is owning a commercial establishment, holiday homes. And after we bring people together now, we go to the sorting part of it. We tell people now, this is what you can afford, so you can have this program, and this is what you lie in, so move on in this sector.
Being a housing cooperative, have you identified where members can get the best returns? And by this I mean looking at the rentals, the commercial buildings, or even the holiday homes.
If you have that, you want your capital to be circulating, I would advise you to go for the rentals. Why? If they are well done and it is well in a good location like what we give our members, you are guaranteed every month. Even if guys close their homes and go for holidays, they will still pay for your rent. So you have to understand that. So especially if you are making an entrance to the market and to the real estate and you want now to enjoy that, I would advise you to start with rentals.
In Kenya, majority of people still prefer savings or loans to own property as opposed to taking mortgage, which is still out of reach of more than 80% of the population, never mind the easing of interest rates in the third quarter of 2016.
Instead of paying that interest, we are telling you what you can afford monthly, come and pay towards your investment. Come, if you can afford 50,000, instead of borrowing a loan which you'll be paying 65,000, you'll be paying that 50,000, and at the end of after you complete your payment, that's when now you get the document of ownership.
Jeremy Karemeri, however, cites cooperative housing model as a cheaper option for Kenyans who desire to own property. With 3,000 members, the housing cooperative is now targeting counties as demand surges. After the capping of the interest rates, how do you think housing cooperatives are going to fare on going to 2017?
Cooperative may not be affected by the rates because they were not relying on the rate even from the onset. It's people coming together, but still we expect a boom because many people will have options. I can go to this side, or else I will go to a cooperative and still develop slowly, and also go to the level that I have been looking towards. So 2017 will be a good year even for this nation.
Ronald Willie, Business at One.